Okay, g'day everybody, it's Grant from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove a sound system from an Isuzu MUX. Now, one of the problems you might be seeing is that different parts of the touchscreen don't work. That's something Supertech Electronics can repair, amongst other reasons. Now, the tools you will need today is a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to put those down there. This section here is the first part you're going to remove, and it's held in with clips. You can usually get your fingers underneath and unclip it that way and take it right out. That will have an electrical plug in there you'll need to pop out, and then we can put that one aside. That will of course expose two screws that live down in here, and you'll need to remove those. Once you remove those, this whole headpiece will come out. There we go. And that will be held in with, once again, electrical connections. There'll be one right up the top, and all these guys, you need to unplug those. They do want to go in one spot, so don't worry about getting them in the wrong spot. And then you can send your unit off to Supertech Electronics for repair.